Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make your mix sound clean step by step. Start by organizing your session with clear names, colors, and grouped buses so you can focus on sound decisions. Clean sessions let you spot problems and move faster. Remove unused clips and inactive plugins to save CPU and mental bandwidth. With structure in place, you can tackle tone, balance, and dynamics without getting lost in clutter or endless. In this video, I will show how to make your mix sound clean step by step. Get gain staging right by setting individual track peaks around -12 dB and keeping group buses lower. Use clip gain to balance rough levels before any EQ or compression so processors behave predictably. Keep an eye on meters and avoid clipping anywhere in the chain to preserve clarity and dynamic range for later polishing. In this video, I will show how to make your mix sound clean step by step. Start with subtractive EQ to carve space for lead elements and reduce masking between instruments. Pan complementary parts to opposite sides to widen the stereo image while leaving center for vocals and bass. Use tasteful reverb or delay to glue sections, but keep pre-delay and low damping so the mix stays clear and focused without muddiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.